Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang preventive service maintenance? Para maiwasan nyo ang malalaking problema at gastos. At syempre, para laging safe ang inyong biyahe. Alam mo ba na ang regular PMS ay hindi lang simpleng pagpapalit ng oil? Malaking bagay ito para mapanatiling safe, reliable at sulit ang sasakyan mo. Step 1. Alamin ang tamang PMS schedule ng iyong sasakyan. Huwag hintayin na may masira bago ito ipacheck. Step 2. Regular na chine-check at pinapalitan ng engine oil at oil filter. Mahalaga ito para malubricate ng maayos ang engine at makatulong maiwasan ang unnecessary wear. Step 3. Ipacheck ang brakes at tires. Dahil safety ang priority, kailangang malaman kung okay pa ang brake components at sapat ang tire condition at pressure. Step 4. Sinusuri rin ang importanteng fluids at battery. Maliit na problema kapag maagapan, pero pwedeng maging malaking gastos kapag napabayaan. Let's do a multi-point inspection. Coolant level looks good, brake fluid is safe, transmission fluid is clean, topping up the washer fluid, and the battery is perfect. Step 5. Isinasagawa ang overall inspection at kung kinakailangan, computer diagnostics para makita ang possible issues bago pa ito lumala. The scan is looking good. All fluids are checked. All fluids are checked. Kapag regular ang PMS, mas maaga mong natutukoy ang potential problems, napapanatili ang performance ng sasakyan, at mas nababawasan ang risk ng unexpected repairs. Kung may sasakyan ka, huwag hintayin na masiraan bago magpa-PMS. Mas okay ang regular maintenance kaysa malaking repair bill. Follow for more car tips at message mo ako kung may questions ka tungkol sa PMS at car ownership.